In the name of Allah the Beneficent, the Merciful, my dear friends, today, once again, productions, lecture number 5. The keywords are what did you, what did you, what did you, what did you, and what did you, and when did you, when did you, and who did you, who did you, and where did you, where did you, and why did you, what did you. So these are very, very important reductions today. Once again, they are being used by everybody in the whole world, whosoever knows about the native language. Especially ये Americans इस्तेमाल करते हैं in order to speak fast or speedy conversation के लिए. Sometimes they compromise some words और उन words को delete कर देती हैं और बहुत पूरी forms को नहीं बोलती हैं, contracted forms में और reduced forms में बोलती हैं. इसीलिए में प्रॉब्लम होती sometimes in order to understand the Britishers and the Americans, क्योंकि वो नेटिव लैंग्वेज में बोलती हैं रिड्यूस करके. हम somehow we can respond them accordingly and appropriately, लेकिन फिर भी हमें उनकी समझ नहीं आ पाती sometimes. The biggest problem you are facing when you are moving about to any English country you face is that of understanding their speaking. उनको समझेंगे तो फिर आप रिस्पॉन्ड करेंगे. हम somehow बात कर सकती हैं लेकिन उनकी समझ आए तो फिर हम ज्यादा अच्छा और कॉन्फिडेंट रिस्पॉन्ड कर सकते हैं. ऑलराइट, सो हमने आपको इन्वॉल्व करना है. डिड यू बहुत ही कॉमन इस्तेमाल होता है. डिड यू को डिड यू को इस्तेमाल करती हैं, आप बोलती हैं इंट्रोड्यूस स्पोकन इंग्लिश में रिडक्शंस यूज करते हुए. सो व्हाट डिड यू, व्हेन डिड यू, व्हाट डिड यू, what did you, what did you. So मेरे examples हैं कुछ. What did you do this weekend? असल में था what did you do this weekend? आपने इस weekend पे क्या किया? और second sentence is what do you think about social media? आप social media के बारे में क्या सोचते थे? और आपको पता है जब did लगाएंगे past indefinite tense में सवालिया जुमला बनाने के लिए, इंट्रोगेटिव बनाने के लिए या नेगेटिव बनाने के लिए did not, didn't इस्तेमाल करती हैं आप, तो फिर फॉर्म कौन सी इस्तेमाल करेंगे? फर्स्ट फॉर्म. वैसे नॉर्मली पास्ट इंडेफिनिट में कौन सी फॉर्म इस्तेमाल होती है? सेकंड फॉर्म. लेकिन जब डिड का इस्तेमाल नेगेटिव या इंट्रोगेटिव या नेगेटिव इंट्रोगेटिव बनाने के लिए होता है तो कौन सी फॉर्म इस्तेमाल होती है? फर्स्ट फॉर्म इस्तेमाल होती है. दैट्स ग्रेट. और हमारे पास एग्जाम्पल्स हैं जी. वो रही है जी.
What did you pay for gold jewelry?
What did you pay for the gold ring? आपने गोल्ड रिंग के लिए क्या पे किया?
What do you want to be when you were little?
What do you want to be when you were little? What did you want to be when you were? जब आप छोटे थे आप क्या बनना चाहते थे? शाबाश.
Would you suggest me what you do after your retirement?
Would you suggest me? हमारा असल में एक्सप्रेशन तो what ही है ना, तो आप क्या सेंटेंस बोल रही हैं?
Would you suggest me?
Would you कहां से आ गया? शुरू में आप what ये बाद में है?
Yes.
Once again please.
Would you suggest me what you do after your retirement?
What do you की सेंस में आप what do you would you suggest me, ये पास्ट की बात नहीं, प्रेजेंट में आप what do you बोल रहे हैं, अब जबकि आपकी एग्जाम्पल डिफरेंट होनी चाहिए पास्ट के हवाले से. जी.
What do you do to bake a pizza?
What do you do to bake the pizza? आपने क्या किया पिज्जा बनाने के लिए? Pizza is an Italian cuisine. Do you like eating pizza?
Yes.
Oh my God, that's great. Those so yummy, so scrumptious, and we like eating pizza. Everybody. Oh my goodness.
What did you do to get this job?
What did you do? What do you do to get this job? आपने क्या किया इस जॉब को हासिल करने के लिए? शाबाश, that's good example. And हमारा next contraction या reductions है when did you, when did you move to the USA? आप USA कब मूव किया आपने? Excuse me guys. And when do you realize that you are important? आपने कब महसूस किया कि आप important थे? When do you realize that you are selfish? कि आप selfish हैं. Alright, हजार रिश्ते हों सच्ची मोहब्बतों के मगर जरा सा झूठ कहीं दरमियान रहता है. Anyway, so that's great. When do you, please?
When do you start working?
When do you start working? आपने काम करना कब शुरू किया? Professionally speaking. Yes, please.
When did you sleep sleep last night?
Where did you sleep last night? आप last night कब आप सोए?
When did you complete your graduation?
When do you complete your graduation? आपने अपनी graduation कब complete की?
When do you get this job?
When do you get this job? Very nice. आपने ये job कब हासिल की? When do you? And then who do you? आपको contraction में भी दिखा दिया है किस तरह से इसकी reduction होगी. Who do you go out with last night? आप किसके साथ last night गए थे? This is one of my examples. उसे कहना चाहिए mind your own business. काम से काम रखो. All right. Who do you inform about your problem, about your sickness, about your trouble? किसको inform किया आपने अपने trouble के बारे में? Who do you? The next sentences, please.
Who did you have understanding with?
Who do you have? Contract reductions में बोले. Who do you have understanding with? आपके किसके साथ understanding थी?
Who do you watch movie last night?
Who do you watch movie?
Last night.
No, this is not a correct sentence. Who do you
Find a
who do you watch movie last night with? हो सकता है किसके साथ देखी? Right. Anyway,
Who do you send birthday cake?
who do you
Send birthday cake.
send the birthday cake? आपने birthday cake किसको भेजा? All right.
Where did you learn this?
Now the next one is where do you? What do you? और हमारी example sentences हैं. Where do you study? आपने कहाँ पढ़ा? Where did you study? असली में होना चाहिए था. और the next one is where. In fact, the full form is where did you study? आपने कहाँ तालीम हासिल की? Where did you find this gold ring? और आपने gold ring कहाँ हासिल की? Where do you find this gold ring? What do you study? आपने कहाँ पढ़ा? आइए कुछ और examples लेते हैं हम अपने students से. Where do you please?
Where did you learn such good English?
Where do you learn this such good English from? कहाँ से सीखी आपने? One and only?
Genius.
Oh my God! Genius Institute Lahore. Yes, please.
Where do you hide after the fight?
Where do you hide after the fight? मार खा के या मार के कहाँ छुप गए थे आप?
Where do you
कमीने बाहर निकलो. All right, sorry.
where did you get those amazing shoes?
Where do you get those amazing shoes? आपने ये shoes amazing कहाँ से हासिल किए? Where do you get these amazing shoes?
Where do you come from?
Where do you come from? आप कहाँ से आए?
Where do you have that?
Okay, my God. The next one is going to be why did you? So why did you? In fact, why do you reject the proposal? आपने proposal को क्यों reject किया? Why did you invest money on bitcoins? आपने bitcoins पे पैसे invest क्यों किए? Right. Why did you?
Why do you have that old man?
Why did you help those old man? Why did you help that old man? आपने उस बूढ़े की जो है वो help क्यों की? Right?
Why do you oppose me?
Why do you oppose me? आपने मेरी मुखालफत क्यों की?
Why did you get so angry?
Why did you?
Get so angry.
Why did you get so angry? आप इतने गुस्से में क्यों आ गए?
Why did you buy a flower?
Why do you buy a flower? आपने फूल क्यों खरीदा? किसी फूल के लिए खरीदा था. All right. Yes, please.
Why did you order a chicken burger?
Why did you order a chicken burger? आपने chicken burger क्यों order किया? Excellent examples. हमारे पास आज के keywords reductions में थे. What do you? When do you? Who do you? Where do you? And what do you? So I've given good examples. Clapping up for everybody in the class. Thank you.